Yep.
All right. So we're out and about today. Last couple of days been a bit nippier out, a bit overcast today, but sort of picked up on something interesting, something that I try and sort of constantly learning about and try and advance as much as I can. But you probably noticed just here behind me, I've got a lichen here, crusty lichen, right? It's part of the Caloplaca family, or some people call it jewel dot lichen, firedot lichen, orange lichen, gold lichen. So it's got this sort of nice orange, almost rusty type tinge to it. The reason I'm just pointing that out today is I quite like to, try and use lichens to like navigate by as well. So a lot of the stuff we would do and sort of go into like natural navigation and whatnot. Now it's not a sort of true science. I believe you just have to kind of study a little bit into your sort of local area to find where what lichens are sort of pointing in which direction, or to give you direction in that sort of sense. But where I am, these would predominantly grow on like sycamore and elm, and they're always on the northern side. Now that's not like moss at all, because obviously lichen's not like a moss. There is that common sort of saying that moss will grow on the north side of the tree, but we're not looking at that at the moment, and anyway that's not a given that it will grow on the north side. But with lichens, they may or may not. It comes down to a little bit of observation and seeing what it's like in your local area. But around here, these are always on the northern side of the sycamores, and predominantly here we don't really have many elms left really. So, but tons of sycamore, and we'll find it. Lichens are really sensitive to pollution. So even if you're not going to get your direction from the lichen, you'll definitely be able to know that the air is probably quite good. But just to prove my point, so here they're always on the northern side. So we've just set up a little compass down here, so you can have a little look. I don't know if you can see that, guys. So that's pretty accurate, I would say. Sometimes I would have thought that it would be there or thereabouts, but it's actually a lot more accurate than this. That's actually the first time I've just set a compass out just to give it, to see where it be. It could be a few degrees off, but that is pretty much spot on there. So I hope you guys can get out and check out some lichens in your local area, and any questions, give me a shout.